Today, Governor Hogan announced that the Trump administration has designated the Greater Baltimore-Washington corridor, including 12 Maryland jurisdictions, as priority areas, which demand urgent federal attention and preparing for the worst. Governor Hogan toured a makeshift medical facility today at the Baltimore Convention Center, and WMER2 News' Jeff Hager has more on that transformation.
The governor knew it would be a tall order, converting a vast, empty space into a state-of-the-art field hospital in just 2 weeks' time. In a bid to create the capacity for 6,000 more hospital beds here in Maryland, Governor Larry Hogan turned to the Baltimore Convention Center to add a few hundred of them.
So over there, sir, is where the pharmacy's going to be.
And today, the field hospital is ready to play its role during an anticipated surge in coronavirus cases.
This facility will be a place where coronavirus patients who no longer require hospitalization can complete their care and fully recover. By providing additional 250 beds here, this field hospital expands the capacity of Baltimore City healthcare facilities, reduces the time that patients have to remain in our hospitals, and in turn will free up that critical capacity.
To help reduce the load on hospitals, the governor also has created special teams of doctors and nurses to deploy to nursing homes and long-term residential facilities as needed.
Today, we are launching statewide strike teams composed of members of the National Guard, representatives of local and state health departments, the Maryland Institute for Emergency Medical Services Systems, and hospital systems to bring triage, emergency care, supplies, and equipment to overburdened nursing homes.
For all of the state's efforts, health experts say the expansive social distancing is having the biggest impact on keeping the state's COVID-19 cases from overloading its healthcare system.
One model that the White House uses has our peak occurring about 10 days from now. And other models have the peak coming a bit later. But models are only best estimates, and models don't necessarily take into account how seriously Maryland has put social distancing measures in place. So we do hope our peak day will be sooner.
Soon enough, it's hoped, to never have to use these makeshift facilities. Reporting from the Baltimore Convention Center, Jeff Hager, WMAR 2 News.